Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Florida Department of Revenue beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Florida Department of Revenue. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. If you already have an account, enter your user ID in the first field. Next, type your password into the designated field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, there are options available to help you recover them. Look for the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links and click on the appropriate one. Follow the prompts to retrieve your login information. After entering your user ID and password, click the Login button to access your account. If the information is correct, you will be successfully logged in. In case of any error messages, recheck your credentials. If you continue to face issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Once logged in, you will have access to various services offered by the Florida Department of Revenue. Take time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available options. This concludes the login process for the Florida Department of Revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.